Welcome to our vlog.
KY jelly!
Yeah! I'm not doing the data.
Doesn't want to be spoiled for the last episode of Game of Thrones, so I'm gonna be the last one to spoil.
I'll beat your ass if you tell me.
Hey guys!
Hey guys!
Hello!
Hello!
Are you okay? Right here. We're in Las Vegas right now, and I just lost another $20. No, did you please right now? I put $20 down. That's okay. I lost my life here. My sandal. Everyone's pretty drunk right now. Maybe not everyone. Not this fucker.
It's mine!
Oh shit! I caught that on camera! I actually caught that!
You broke my You know what I mean by saying everyone a lot of shit going on.
I'm sorry.
Let's go!
Trading cards!
I have to put happy faces all over. Did you lick them? That's really big.
my trading cards!
No, like the strap. Alright,
let's go.
Wait, why didn't you? I thought you were wearing the slippers. I'm a mechanic. These seats don't get fly again. I'm a mechanic.
I can fix any.
Yay!
I'm a mechanic!
I'll go up, sing guys.
I have a friend that would love to actually, but he's in the bathroom.
Okay, just hang on to it. I'm Becky. I can have limo pick you guys up at any hotel, and you just buy 2 drinks, free limo there and back.
Sounds good.
Yeah, just